So today I did like velvety gels, a lot of questions with velvety gels as well. And then with the phone call and emails, I said, a lot of students were asking for this. And also I am going to to coat underneath as well. Cure this one for 60 seconds. And then this one, again, top coat. And cure for 60 seconds. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. So, of course, we had so much fun and so many of you orders that kawaii. So, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see all your beautiful creation. So, I got the cute mermaids, ombre, unicorn, mermaid tails, and then I got this. So on your pack of your kawaii, it's come with different like variety because when it get packed, it packed with some fruits, some flowers, some sweet stuff. Then this is one packs out of from my pack, so you want to seeing it. They're all different, so you might all of them come with so many cutie things. And I got this one and I just drilled the holes using the e-file. Look, I'm gonna show you. And put it like to 12 to 15,000 RPM, and then you can get this. Well, you're gonna put it on the nails if you want to glue it on. But if you don't want to, then just that's it. You are done. But let's get some fun cute. And then of course this is link. It's come from my no, it come from this. Is what is it, kids? Fantastical. But you can do this one. There's so many cute ones. You can get the variety, and then they ours is come with the link as well. So we'll get everything that's convenience for you. So then you have like even like zodiac size, so adorable. So many links in there, so you can either do smaller or bigger. So and this one, oh my gosh, look at, is it a dolphin?
There's a whale.
The whale? Why is the whale so tiny? Oh la la. So okay, so it's really cool. So now, if you have a class get so dramatic and it's, oh my God, Nancy, I want this one, then put the tails on for her. But if she wants the smaller ones and to charms hang on her nails, then put a little tiny whales on it. Or the little shells. So you might get some different pack. It has something cute in there. So then when it pack, it's got variety of random, super cute. So it doesn't matter whatever you get something so cute out of it. This is a little swans right there. And it's even, I have a crocs too. My pack have a crocs. And then I have the star and a little kitty, little cat. Check. Okay. So what you would do? This one? Hold on. Cherry, super adorable. Maybe we should do a whole cute thing. All right, so let me do the holes first. On both of them. Just hold straight and hold tight, okay? And then the next one. And you just hold straight 90 degree and it's going, it makes really cool holes for you. Dust all of that powder off. Okay. But make sure when you want to do this, you want to complete your nail. So it means that as I said earlier, if you are happy with this, you don't want anything else, you're good to go. But you want to get some cool fonts like oh my God, it's gonna look so stunning. You can hook this on like longer. You add one more link if you want just to be enough. Just do a smaller, so one link or two smaller link. And as you seeing the video I did it before, I put the precision glue gels right here, right where is the link close, so then that way it will not catching on their clothes, the client's clothes, or snagging or scratching them at all. It's gonna stay nice and safe. Seal it and cure for 60 seconds. I'm gonna hold it like this and cure it first, okay? Because you don't want it to get stuck into the nails. And the same thing with this, I am gonna do either hook the link in here to get a little like lemon slice, or the cherry. Or I can put the little like gummy, but it's gonna cover our fruits though.
Cherry's nice.
All right. See, so now this one is sealed completely. I did it backward. Did you know that? But it's okay. Just tell the clients to turn it like this. Just kidding. You can take it off and then do it over. But it looks super cute. Ha ha ha. Lemons. It's so adorable. It's so awesome. It's so cute. My kids gonna love it. I'm loving it. And it's just hanging there and it stays secure. It's not gonna catch you because we seal it already. So nice and smooth right there. Don't feel anything at all. All right. And then we'll move to the next one. But you know what? If your clients don't want dramatic like this, it's, oh my God, Nancy, I want this. You know what? We should hook her in here though. You think? Let me fix her. So if you change your mind, just really simple, you can do that. Look, I already opened it. But the clients can't do it themselves though, because we seal it for them. So then that way they go home, they won't feel it's just catching on things. I like to add her in. Just like her right there in the link. And close it back up.
I was talking to take a chance to flip that tail over.
Yeah, I did. I did.
Nice.
I feel like, oh my God, I feel like I'm going to the dentist and get a filling on the teeth. It's okay. Seals and cure under the LD light for 60 seconds. Okay, so now seals again. And cure. All right. Hello everyone. All right, so let's go into the next ones and we're going to lemons. We can get two of them tangled together. Oh, you can double, huh? Let me get the rings for that. You know, you can have it like more than it just like one link or two, you know? You can do just one link. It's okay. All right, so this one is dry. Look at that. It's so adorable. So cute. Having fun with this. Look. All right, so move to the next one. We are going to do the same thing. I'm gonna find a bigger link because we are going to put like the lemons. Oh, that's that face up, right? If you want the, should we do a cherry separate? You can do them, both of them together, or you can do them. Oh, nice. And for all you just tuning in, I drill the super cute smaller holes right here already. And just close them back up. I'm going to seal it too. Seal is where you close this, so then that way it will not catching on the client's hair or scratching them. All right, here for 60 seconds. So we have the mermaid tails and the whales. It looks like she had the water flashing on the top. Hold on, let me get the plates so you can see better. Yeah, right here, there's plates. Is that flashing? It's just a reflection. Look at that. So adorable.